Hello everyone, welcome back to Net Academy. In this video, I am going to walk you through 5 multiple choice questions, and not only I will give you the correct answers, but I will also show you exactly why those answers are correct by referring to the textbooks. So let's start with the question number 1. Question number 1. Why are flowering plants important to the environment? A. They provide oxygen. B. They prevent erosion. C. They help in the production of food and oxygen. D. They absorb carbon dioxide only. So I went with the option C. Why? Because let's check in the senior one book. Yes, senior one student book. Senior one student book on the page 33. Yes, page 33. Here we have the flowering plants are important for the following reasons. Yes, they are source of food. Yes, and another is they release oxygen. So they remove carbon dioxide. So in these options, they provide oxygen is true. They prevent erosion, maybe also true, but in this, yes, and they absorb carbon dioxide only. In the options, why I choose the option C is because option C includes the main the main two important of the flowering plants. That's why I went with the option C. Yes, let's talk about the question number 2. Which of the following is the primary characteristics that distinguishes the Phyram arthropoda from other animal thyra? A. Radiosymmetry. B. Exoskeleton made of chitin. C. Presence of backbone. Yes, D. Bilateral symmetry. First of all, let's check in senior 2 student book. Yes, senior 2 student book on the page 15. On page 15 we have the many characteristics of organism in Phyram arthropoda. On the characteristic number 2, they have tough coat or covering made of chitin. This coat forms an outer skeleton known as exoskeleton, which means arthropods have exoskeleton made of chitin. And here I saw the another characteristic, which is bilateral symmetry. Bilateral symmetry is a symmetry that arthropods have. So in the question, yes, in the question we are having the A, which is the radial symmetry, which is wrong because it has the bilateral symmetry. And in the Phyram cordata has the also bilateral symmetry. That is why I considered also the option D. And the option C, why it's wrong? It's wrong because the arthropoda such as an insect have no backbones. Yes, they have the organism in arthropoda Phyram, they have no backbones. The backbones present in the Phyram chordata, which is why that is the reason why I went with the option B. Yes, let's go to the question number 3. Question number 3. The total magnification of microscope is calculated by multiplying the magnification of ocular lens by magnification of objective lens. If the ocular lens is 10 times and the objective lens magnifies is 40 times, what is the total magnification? So in the question they show us, or they give us the formula for finding the total magnification, which is multiplying the ocular lens and the objective lens, and we have both of them, 40 and 10, which is why I chose the option number C, because 10 times 40 it is 400. Yes, that's why the option C is the correct one. Others are wrong. So let's go on the let us go on the fourth question. Question number 4. Which of the following organelle is responsible for protein synthesis in both plant and animal cells? A. Golgi apparatus. B. Endoplasmic reticulum. C. Ribosomes. D. Lysosomes. So I chose the option number C because the ribosomes also is one that makes the protein synthesis. It's a protein machinery in the cell, in both plant and animal cells. And I found it in the senior 4 student books, which is the ribosomes make protein. This is the, yes, this is here. Ribosomes make, yes, this is here. Ribosomes make proteins. That's why I chose the letter C. Letter C. So lastly, question number 5. It's right. It is a matching question to match with the correct, to match the hormones A with correct B with hormone B, but in the correct way. So I match carbohydrate with letter A, which provide energy for the body. B, protein, on proteins I matched with B, and D, the fats with letter D, and the vitamins with letter E, and minerals with letter C. Yes, with letter C. So I'm going to show it through the senior 2 student book where this answers belongs. Yes, on the page 69, the page 69. On the page 69. Where is the page 69 in? Oh, I mean, sorry, it's in senior 1, page 69. Yes, page 69. This is the, from the question, how carbohydrates is it provide the body with energy. So that is how to, yes, provide energy for the body. That is the correct. And for the proteins, they repair damaged tissues, and they repair need for growth and repair damaged tissues. So that is the same as from the what I chose. They repair cells. Yes. On the fat provide energy and help in absorption of fat soluble vitamins. Let's see. the fats, lipids, which include the fats, yes, and oils, they provide energy firstly, and secondly they help with absorption of soluble absorption of fat soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K. So that's what you have also in the hormone B. That's why we matched with this letter D. Then on the vitamins we matched it with the letter E, which is the facilitate various chemical processes in the body. Let's check. Vitamins needed in small amount for different functions in the body. That's why we chose it. It's used for facilitating in different function in the body. Yes, that's why lastly we have the minerals aid in formation of bones and teeth and blood. So minerals help minerals 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 like iron need to make hemoglobin, which are substances in red blood cells, and also calcium is needed for strong teeth, for strong bones and teeth. That's why we chose also the minerals to go to the letter number C. Here's why. This is aid formation bones and teeth. That is the end of I think this is the end of this video while we were collecting the first 5 questions. And yes, and this is the 5 questions, 5 correct answers, all backed up with the solid evidence from the textbook. It is not about choosing an answer, but understanding why it is correct. And if this helped you out, make sure to like and share it with your classmates, and let me know in the comments if you want me to go over more questions. Thank you for watching. Good luck.